Good morning. It is Saturday the 8th at 9:23 a.m. Me and Glebe are going to Global Tires because we are drifting AMS for our first time. It's not with IA, but it's with Clean Culture Atlanta. So close enough, right? I'm gonna take you guys through the day. Our first stop is Global Tires. We need to mount my 225. So this bad boy, we're gonna take some 265s off of Galebe's wheels, save them for Chris, bring them to Chris, and we're putting, I think, 225s on those. I could be wrong. Oh my god, I'm confused, y'all. They're mounting the tires now, so that's cool. We came to bug Adam. Success! Okay, shut up. All right, we've made it to Chris's shop to drop off the 265s so we can mount it, and we're about to dip out and eat, head to the gas station, and then head to the track. So a few things happened before we were actually able to head out. Galebe's trunk got stuck from a wheel hitting on the latch, so we had to pry it open with a screwdriver. Then once we got that, we started to head down. I forgot to film the rest of it where we got there, set up, and then got in Galebe's car for our first lap. So that's what you're about to see coming up.
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very conservative.
That feels good.
Yeah, and the pump's a little...
That feels good.
You got one bolt in that bitch.
I know, I'm literally like...
Can we do one more with you?
Well, I'm in Stone Mountain.
Stone Mountain?
So not too far.
You guys come out to Lanier.
Lanier?
Always driving at Lanier, and you're welcome for a ride along anytime.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I was going to say, you have an IG or anything?
Yes, I do. I got you.
Okay, hold on. Let me.
Let's see if I can fix it back up, and then I'll come back.
Here we go.
Gotta get it from my YouTube. Damn. It's like my 5th fan. All right. Now, let's put the new one on. It's supposed to look like this. Jesus Christ. That's how you do a trackside harmonic balancer install. To be honest though, this shit lasted probably like 28 years. I don't think it's ever been replaced. So it's 28 years old. Not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing? Well, tell them the car did good, and that's it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, catch that! What's up? Oh, you can do it. Just grip your phone.
Grip the fuck out of it.
Yup. My friend puts it out the window all the time, but he's like really gripping that bitch.
He's like,
yeah. I'm like, dude, relax. Totally forgot to film an outro again, but I had a lot of fun getting to see everyone, getting to drive with everyone, being at AMS for my first time drifting instead of just spectating. In the next clip, I actually just show you guys my harmonic balancer that we found on a track after the fact. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. All right, so after the Clean Culture event, I went out to the track to see if I could find my pulley, and I did. They let us go out there and grab it, and so I just put it back together just in case I could show you guys how it's supposed to look, and it's not supposed to be like that. It did get ran over a couple of times. Chris remembered where he had flung it to, and so I was able to perfectly just locate it because it was still stuck there. That's good though.